Looking at how to edit object of memorandum of a company. Just in case you don't understand what the term object of memorandum stands for, object of memorandum simply represents the principal business activity of a company. That is, the business activities in which a company is engaged into. Now, let's take for instance that company A has the following list of business activities in which they are into, and they want to remove um, line 5, or they want to remove line 5 and 4 business activity. Then they need to apply through the Corporate Affairs Commission that they want to remove, or they want to edit their objects of memorandum. So that is what we are going to be looking at practically in this video. So please and please stay tuned and pay attention so that you will learn or master how you can edit your company objects of memorandum. Just in case, if this is your first time of visiting our YouTube channel, kindly hit the subscribe button and smash the notification bell so that you will get updated whenever we publish great content like this in the future. Having said this, let's dive into the video proper. Now, the first thing is you need to log into the post incorporation portal. Then under the company search, you have to search for the company that you want to make adjustments on. You can using the name or using the phone number or the company registration number. So in this case, I will be using the company name. I will click on proceed to dashboard. It will now direct us to the dashboard where you can find a service list by the left hand side of the screen or the web page. You can see alteration of memorandum. So I will click on it. So you click on alteration of memorandum, then click on start alteration of memorandum on article filing. Close this pop-up. Now let's look at the requirements carefully. The first thing is spatial resolution. So before you make adjustment on the object of memorandum of a company, there's need for a spatial resolution. That means a meeting must be held by um, board of directors stating the need for them to make adjustment on their objects of memorandum. So it's very, very important. There must be a minute that justify the adjustment. Okay, and that is called a spatial resolution. So that's all about that. The first, now we have there are about 4 stages here to carry out this process. The first stage is objects, second one is article, the third is preview and payment, which is the fourth. Now under objects of memorandum, this is where we want to make the adjustment on. So we want to remove this line of activity. I will click on delete. Good, I've done that. So from formerly it was from 1 to 5, now it has been adjusted from 1 to 4. So click on next. Under article section, let's look at the article section. Read carefully interpretation, class of shares, restrictions on transfer shares, meetings, seal, date of special resolution is today. Click on next. Preview, we're gonna review all that we have adjusted. Alterations. Okay, save and continue. Then we have to make payment for it. So when you need to click on remitter to make payment. After making your payment, then you are to upload the necessary document as I have already mentioned before now, which is a spatial resolution, a minute of the spatial resolution where it was captured that the board of directors agreed to make adjustment on the object of memorandum of the company.